Hey, what's up, y'all? Ryan here. I want to show you a new processor that's going to make it even easier for you to standardize your telemetry in BindPlane. So I've got this config here. This pipeline, we've got a BindPlane Gateway configured. It's capturing some telemetry from a variety of different sources, and that's all being merged in this gateway, routing out to Honeycomb and S3 for cold storage. So let's take a look at the data. And if we inspect these Nginx logs, you'll see user is formatted as user, USER. And I also have some Postgres data where user is username. And you've probably seen this all the time in your telemetry where something like user or data center, different telemetry types have different field names for those. And that's not very useful when you actually get the data into your platform and want to build dashboards and alerting. Based on that, you want that to all be standardized. So we're going to add a processor, and this will be called coalesce. We'll apply to logs here. And what we're going to do is specify the fields that should be coalesce. So in this case, it will be user or username. If it sees either of those, then it should upsert a new field called user and populate the value from these. Now this is non-destructive, so it's going to create a new field. Then what we could do is use a delete field processor to remove the duplicate entry. So let's hit done there and take a look. And you'll see username. We have a new field called user, USR, and that was populated with that value from username. Now if we want, we can go ahead and do delete fields. And we will delete user or username. And there we go. Now we're just left with USR. Perfect. So I think that's going to save you a ton of time as you're standardizing your telemetry. Let us know, as always, if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.